Just look at these beautiful heirloom carrots. They come in great, amazing colors, just like Mother Nature intended. Now, to roast these off, I simply toss them onto a good baking sheet, along with some shallots, because those wonderful sweet shallots and these carrots are going to be a perfect combination. And you may have noticed I've left the green tops on my carrots. I just think it's a nice festive touch. There are so many great dishes that begin with olive oil. And this is a very simple dressing to drizzle over the carrots before they get roasted. A touch of honey, but not too much, because carrots have a great deal of their own natural sugar. And as they roast in the oven, that sugar is going to become much more intensified. A couple of spoons of Dijon mustard, just to thicken things up, and that'll help this dressing cling to those carrots. A few beautiful leaves of fresh thyme to add that wonderful savory pop of flavor. Here's where you get your fingers involved. Just give them a good roll around. These carrots are ready for a good roasting. Such a simple dish, but tasty and delicious.
Just fantastic.
I couldn't have said it better myself.